Hey, did you guys hear about the picnic the school is planning?
Yeah, I heard about it. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to hang out with everyone outside of class.
Definitely. It's a great way to kick off the holidays. Speaking of which, what are your plans for the break?
I'm thinking of visiting my grandparents. They live in the countryside, so it'll be a nice change of pace.
That sounds lovely. I'm just going to relax at home, catch up on some sleep, and maybe binge watch some shows.
Sounds like a plan. I need some downtime too. But before the holidays, we have that big exam coming up, don't we?
Ugh, don't remind me. I've been trying to study, but it feels like there's so much to cover.
Same here. I really need to buckle down and focus this weekend. I can't afford to mess this one up.
We got this, guys. Let's support each other and get through this exam together. Then we can fully enjoy the picnic and the holidays without any worries.
Absolutely. Let's make sure to help each other out and stay positive. We'll conquer that exam and then have the best time ever at the picnic.
Agreed. It's all about staying motivated and keeping our eyes on the prize. Picnic, here we come.